Well, I was asked to write Muslims in America by a couple of professors at Yale University who are the editors of a series called Religion in American Life with Oxford University Press. What I was asked to do was to integrate Muslims into larger themes in American history, both religious and secular. And so Muslims in America tells the story of when the first Muslims set foot on North American soil during the era of slavery and how the community has changed over time. Oftentimes when I talk about the book, the history that I'm trying to get is overshadowed by the present. And in a general audience, I oftentimes get a lot of questions about terrorism, about domestic terrorism, about religious intolerance among Muslims. Those are oftentimes the questions that really dominate the Q&A portion of the book. I mean, what I try to do in the book is weave Muslims into the American story and simply to shed light on the fact that they've always been here. Some of the contributions of Muslims have been mundane but wonderfully American in that sense. Muslims are not that unusual as Americans. They're unusual in the sense they've been very ethnically and racially diverse as a religious group. In fact, they are the most racially and ethnically diverse religious group in the United States. But besides that, it's their story is the American story, and the more that we tell their story, the more that we weave them into our narratives of what it means to be an American, the more we will establish a foundation for a common understanding and for unity in the face of a world which is sometimes always, or not sometimes, but at this point is sort of under threat of being torn asunder by religious and other kinds of divisions.